coming over at my house and we're doing cute water bottles to match with everybody because it's not our first comp, but it's our first comp going all together. True. And we have an Airbnb. Like it has people's names.
Who is that?
Wait,
Ariana?
No, show Cassidy.
Oh yeah, Cass is really. Yeah,
oh
it's
yes.
Cass is really
And it's so pretty.
So pretty.
It's harder to see on
we're,
camera.
We're gonna put like candy in here. And like candy.
We'll show you guys after we do it.
Yeah.
But this is what Ariana's doing.
Yes. I just finished a dose.
And it's 1:50 a.m.
Just looking.
1:50.
Wow, you can see it really good on camera.
Yes. We're giving Val this one.
Because it's the only purple one that's like that.
That's different because she's special.
Guys, I'm making noodles.
She's making noodles. But we need to go sleep for tomorrow morning for Memorial. Because girl, I'm already tired. I'm ready to go sleep. But Memorial's tomorrow. We're all going. Or actually, not everybody's going tomorrow, but I think everybody's going on Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody's going on Sunday. I'm ready to see everybody there.
Girl, it's okay. We can get
Maddie's
out,
back there with
too loud.
her best friend, Sarah.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
So, it's not the water bottle time, but it's crystal candy time.
Yes.
Everybody's trying one.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, I don't know if I heard that.
Smell it.
Does it taste good?
It's lying. It is a texture
I don't
thing.
like the texture.
Right? See, I told you.
People make it look so good. And they make it
eat
taste
this?
good. Why do people make crystal candy look
I'll eat it for you even though it's not good. It's nasty.
Girl, she lying. If she think that it tastes good, that's why she said that she'll eat it for you.
I like the crunch, that's all I like.
I like the crunch
Sure.
too.
Okay, crunch into it. Go. No, the bite. Take another bite.
I don't want to take another bite.
Sarah, bite. Go. Ooh, I don't know if you can hear that. That seems.
But I like it. You want mine too?
Okay.
She said she don't like it, but I think she like it.
Anyways,
Always go to sleep at 5.
this is the process.
We only got 2 done.
Oh yeah, only those two, and
I think
about to be 3.
Ariana is doing it all, and I feel bad.
Actually, we'll help Ariana.
I don't know how to help.
I'm just gonna start filling them up.
Yeah, you just put one of each thing.
Okay, we're gonna finish these. Bye. We're all done now, guys. This is what's inside of them. I think you guys saw them before, but there's gum, Tootsie Roll. What's that called? What's that candy called that you put in there? It's the small one? No.
Fruity Tooties.
No, it's like the Asian candy.
High chew?
Yeah, the Haichu. The Haichu, Airhead, and yeah. We'll get reactions. And now we're gonna write some notes.
I'm gonna write my speech
Your speech for what?
to everyone.
Yay. She's so excited. It's literally, it's 2:20. It's 2:25, guys. We need to go sleep. Hi, guys. Oh my god, why does my makeup look so bad? No, on camera it looks really bad. But anyways, we're getting ready to leave for the journey. Sarah's curling her hair. I'm already dressed. Yeah, that's where oh yeah, let me get you OOTD. Not a shirt, and it says not a on the back. A, so pretty. And I got some jean shorts. My phone is right there. Let's go look for Maddie. I think Ariana just left. Oh. Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
She's still doing her makeup and she's not ready yet. And oh, let's go catch Ariana before she leaves. Oh, she just left. Let's see Ariana. Ariana. Say hi. We'll see you guys at Memorial Day. Did she say something? We're all in the car now. Everything's all packed. Yay.
Did everyone get a bag?
Wait, how do you zoom in? Ooh.
Maddie, did your mom make a bag for everyone?
Yeah, everyone got a bag.
Who brought it?
Nevaeh. Yeah. Okay. I have one on me too. A little purple one. But there's this one too. It's a little bunny.
Maddie, is this what your mom does when she raves?
Yeah. I'm answering like Maddie's mom is my mom. Oh, that one is so cute. Ariana, show the camera. Oh, that one is so cute.
Oh, so cute. Sarah, do
Okay.
you want a little clip?
A sprout.
Yeah.
Oh, that one is cute too.
Oh,
Okay.
so cute. Maddie, do you want a clip?
We'll see you guys at the trainee.
Bye, vlog.
Oh,
See
wait,
you
hold
guys
on.
in a bit.
Okay,
See
go.
you guys in a bit.
Bye. We're at Memorial now.
Hey. Hey.
And, we didn't park too far, but it's kind of far at the same time.
I was stressing.
Yeah.
I couldn't park.
Maddie couldn't park behind the person.
So they felt bad and they let me park next to them.
It's okay.
I was stressing.
It's low-key the same spot anyway, so it shouldn't even matter.
I think the hardest part is getting out.
But we just got in, guys.
How are you buying stuff?
I couldn't tell if it was recording.
I hope it's recording.
Yeah, it is. It's red, I see. Wow, look at all the vendors. I feel like a Facebook mom. That's Kaylee and Cece.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Kaylee. Well, I forgot my Sprout bag, but it's okay.
It's okay.
We're making clothes tonight. Okay, but did you clip anybody yet?
No.
Me neither. Did you see any of the other girls? I saw Adele, I saw Addie, and I saw you guys.
Oh,
But that's all.
Are they at the
b-ball court?
yeah.
Everybody?
Ariana and Maddie are over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We're watching singing right now. I'm with Addie. Addie! We're watching singing. Ooh, she's good. Dance is starting, guys. Who's going first? Let's look at this. Okay guys, so we are currently watching dance. It just started. Mystic Moon just went up, but yeah. And no, you should be fine. But yeah, and the rest of my team is over there. Anyways, yeah, now we're waiting for the next team. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, Jada went somewhere. I'm not sure where she went, but she went somewhere and she left the camera to me. So, yeah, Kaylee keep making faces at me. Hey guys, dance is now done. I'm gonna go find my dance teammate.
Hi guys, dance count just finished and I'm ready to go to the Airbnb and go to sleep. I'm tired. I was up since like 7 in the morning.
Girl, did you see?
Yeah, munching up in the morning eating eggs.
Y'all, it was 3 in the morning and I was cooking eggs. But anyways, the camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna end the vlog here and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hi guys! Hey vlog! Hey vlog! Hey guys! Hey vlog! So today, Nat is making clips for Memorial Day she know where to put the camera?
Together a little gift for you guys, but it's really little. Don't expect too much. But also, if it doesn't last very long, I never claim to be a professional. So yeah. Kaylee. It's cute. Emma. Yeah. Melanie right here. We have Adeline. Oh. You girls want to do glitter or no glitter? And then we have Nevaeh and Adele. Thank you. We have Cece. Cece and Jada. Wait, one is cute. Thank you. You guys get mad for practice. Cass. Thank you. And we couldn't find like all of the same colors, so we went with like the same design. Different color. It's so cute. I hope you guys like them. If they don't last, you guys can bring them back and I'll redo them. Oh my god. It's cute. Well, thank you, ladies. It's giving Zara Larson. What is Zara Larson? Watching dance and now we're looking for food.
Yeah. Hey guys, we are now sitting at the table, and we're all eating. Are you on frame? Yeah, I am. Okay. So I'm eating rice cake with sausage. What are you eating, Anna?
Hot Cheeto Korean corn dog with honey mustard and ketchup.
What are you eating, Arlena? Rice cake and sausage, lemonade.
I'm listening to Nevaeh.
So we are here with Gautaki and we are playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Exactly. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ready? Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Arlena, sir.
Oh, me?
Good job, Cass.
Me? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah! She gets her girl! Oh my gosh, she gets out!
Okay. This is so fun.
Thank you guys. Yeah. I'm with NCC right now. Bye guys.
Wait, I low-key don't even know if this is recording. I think it is, right?
Hello?
Okay. Anyway, guys,
Cam.
we're gonna go and try to clip people. Right now, dance comp just ended. Now we're just waiting for announcements, which probably won't be in a while. And it's 2:05 right now.
Yeah.
We are clipping dancers right now. Let's see if they can be slick. Okay guys, we just clipped them. Hey guys, it's me and Emma. We're just sitting at the stage right now with Val and all of them in the back. It's really hot. I'm ready to go home and sleep. Right, Emma? This day is going by so slow. I'm so tired, but I'm excited to see who wins. all the teams that competed did really good this tourney. But right now it's the singing competition. I guess it's third round. But yeah, guys, you guys gonna catch us like sleeping in the next scene, next video. I'll show you all the clips I got today. So I got this one from yesterday. And then I got 2 today. Airheads, I don't know who I got them from, but yeah. And then I also got this one from Gamong Rising. But yeah, anyways, here's my cheese squishy again. Okay, bye guys.